Now we
Yes.
will have a practice. Okay, we have learned some words, no, last time. Correct?
Yes.
Some words of duas are there here. Inshallah, later on I explain this duas words, but I'll come here now. Okay, chale. I'll come here for you. Now you all memorize these words. You know all this word. Everybody knows about these words. Meaning of these words. Haza, zalika, ana, anta, huwa, hazihi, tilka, ana, anti, hiya. Everybody knows these words.
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now haza means English.
This.
Haza means
This.
this for male. Huh? This for male. It is written on top male. So this for male. Zalika,
That.
that is also for male. Huh?
Male. Yes.
Ana,
I.
I. Male, female both comes. Okay. Anta
You.
You.
for male. Male, huh? For male. Remember.
Male.
Huwa,
He.
he for male. Hiya means he. Huh? Hazihi, this. Tilka,
That.
that. Okay. Ana,
I.
I. Anti,
You.
you. For whom it is? For male or female?
Female.
Female. Hiya,
She.
he. She. Okay. Huna,
Here.
here means something that here is the book. We say that the book is here.
Yes.
Okay. What was say book is here? That is called huna. Or hunak. Hunak
There.
means
There.
there. Mashallah. Ma,
What?
what? Man,
Who?
and then a and hal. There are two words.
Yes, sir.
Answer yes or no.
Yes or no. Whenever you have to answer a question in yes or no, if I ask you one question, if I ask you a question, what is this? I'm asking you a question. Carefully listen the question. What is this? And if you answer me yes or no, it's correct? Can you answer me? Yes.
No.
If I say is this a table, I can ask you question. Is this a table? Then can you answer me yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, that kind of question it is actually. When you want to confirm something like, is this a table? Is this a pen?
Yes.
Is this your pen? Okay. Such questions you ask, in that condition you can use what questions? Or hal. Okay. Chalo. Tell me. Take it, chalo. Let's begin go.
Sir,
Tell me, Umar, fast.
sir, all these you have displayed, sir. Are these all male?
Which words were? Or not? This is
Hello?
all for male. This is Hazi is for
All the
female.
words.
Hazi for female. Hazi he
Okay.
used for female. Tilka is used for female. Anti is for female. Hiya is for female. But all these question words in the left blocks now, all the blocks words are there in the left side. Una, ma,
Yes,
man,
yes, sir.
all that can be used for both male or
Female.
female. Okay,
Thank you.
correct?
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Alhamdulillah. Chale. Come on, first come. Now here. Now some words here are there. And in the blocks of the words written that F or M written. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I want to ask you a question, can you ask me a question? Is this a box in Arabic? How to ask? I'll just first tell you. Last time I showed you how to ask a question. But wait, if some students are new, then I can show them. Wait. If some students are new in this, class, I can show how to ask. So we have to take two words first. Okay. Which words we have to take from? We'll take Haza and Hazi. Correct? You know all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll take Haza and Hazi first. Why I have taken two words, Haza and Hazi? Because some words are
Male and female.
very good, mashallah, very good. Some words are male and female. Now, I want to confirm, I want to ask that, is it box or not? Is it box or not? Okay, I want to ask this, or is this a box or not? Is this a box or? Just wait. Just wait. I'll take up from here, okay, to answer the question. Correct? Now, some students will be new, no, today. So we can keep here ahaza. Okay? We'll keep ahaza, or if female is there, then? If female is there, then?
Ahazi.
Ahazi. If male is ahaza. And if female is?
Ahazi.
Now tell me, this sanduk, the box is male or female in Arabic?
Female.
Female. It
Female.
gives gender of female. It gives gender of female.
Ahazi.
Ahadi Sundukun.
Hazihi
Sundukun.
Sundukun. Is it correct?
Yes.
If I put here,
No.
no, that could be
No.
wrong. Correct. So we have to put here.
Wrong.
Now see, just listen. Now this khizanatu.
Sir, you also ask these words in that also.
You're correct because some students will be new today, na? So I just explain again. Okay. Khazanatun. No, khizanatun actually. Okay, correct. So now same thing. How can I ask? Ahaza or ahazi?
Ahazihi.
Ahazihi.
Khizanatun.
Ahazihi khizanatun. Correct? And correct, mashallah. Now, see, now last time in the first lecture we were not asked about, no, did not ask about the female, no? We had not asked about the female. We all asked about what?
Male.
Males. Okay. Today we are asking about
Female.
females. Okay, okay. In asking the things about female things also. Okay, correct. Chalo. Down this. Now it's a ladder. If you want ladder, this. Where should I put this word?
Ahadihi.
Tell me.
Ahada. In male, sir. Ahada.
Tell me.
Ahada Sulamun.
Haza. Now answer. Can you be the answer of this?
Naam.
Naam.
Salam.
Haza Sulam. Everybody got clear with this?
Yes.
सबको clear है
मोहम्मद
क्या किसी को
इब्राहिम
question?
Muhammad Ibrahim have a question.
Tell me, Ibrahim. Mohammed, mashallah. Ibrahim.
Muhammad Ibrahim, you can ask.
Mohammed Ibrahim, can you ask?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. You have some questions, no?
Sir.
Tell me.
Haza is question.
Haza.
Haza is question.
Muhammad Ibrahim, we can't hear you properly.
Your voice is
Your
getting
voice-
cracked actually.
The voice is cracking. Can you please
Sir.
repeat again?
Sir.
Yes.
Haza is question.
Which word you are saying? Is?
Haza.
Correct.
Okay, sir.
Haza means is this?
This.
Is this question?
Okay, sir.
Okay, is this means haza means is this. Can I write in English? Say this.
Yes.
I can write in the English. Okay, chalo.
Okay, sir.
Just wait, Is this? Now you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is this? Same, this
Okay.
is again. Is this? Okay. But in Arabic, in English, for female, this comes only. Okay. But Arabic, it comes hazi. Correct? Is this?
Okay.
Got it now?
Yes.
Any more questions from other students?
No, sir.
Correct? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Now come here for some other work we can go. Now today we'll use other more words. See now this word I can use. Just wait. I'll come with this words now. Okay, just a second. I'll these words now. 4 words. Now all these 6 words we can take. Okay, chalo. Okay, come here. We'll come here and see the 6 words. You see the 6 words? How many words are there?
Yes, sir.
Ana, anta, hua. Now see
Yeah.
see this is a lady doctor here. See, this is the lady doctor here. Tabib. What is written here for the lady doctor?
Tabibatun.
Tabibatun, mashallah. And for doctor, male doctor,
Tabibu.
tabibun. Now we have to say, I am a lady doctor. How can I say I am? I. What the word for I?
Ana.
Ana
Tabibat.
Ana tabibatun. And for male doctor,
Ana tabibun.
Ana tabibun. Correct? Ana, both are same, na? Ana for both. Correct?
Yes.
Ana for both. Now say
Yes.
you are a lady doctor.
Anta tabibatun.
Anta, sahi correct hai? Anta tabibatun. You are a lady doctor.
Anti tabibatun.
what will happen? Tell me.
Tabibatun.
Anti,
Tabibatun.
it will come anti tabibatun. Correct? See this. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Anti
Yes,
tabibatun. And for doctor, now say doctor for doctor.
Anta tabibun.
Anta,
Anta tabibun.
anta tabibun. Mashallah. Now you have to say, wo doctor, he is a doctor.
Huwa
He is a doctor. Say.
Huwa
Tabibatun.
Say, huwa.
Huwa tabibatun.
Are, tabibatun? Huwa tabibun. He is a male doctor. And for female doctor?
Hiya tabibatun.
Hiya tabibun. All you understood?
Yes.
Yes.
For the female, you have tun, taya marbuta. You have tun for the female. Correct. My boy says correctly. Very well. MashaAllah. Wherever you have tabib tun, you have taya marbuta. Inshallah, we'll explain the grammar later. Huh? But when you say wherever you have taya marbuta means tun. Okay. That makes you, that clears you what? That is a particular thing is what? A particular person is muannas means feminine or female. Okay. Chalo. Now, can you say engineer ke baare mein?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Who is he or she, sir?
Hua for she, he.
Both are,
For
sir.
he. See this chart, inshallah, will send to you this chart. Hai na? Can you see this chart?
No,
Yes, sir.
not for both. Only for male. He.
Now see this chart. You can say
Yes, sir.
Ana for
Ana for both.
Ana for both. Anta for
Both.
For male.
Anta for male. It is written see male. Here it is written male. Correct?
Oh,
pe
yes,
dekho.
sir.
Yes.
Here it is written female for down.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is for male. So hua is for he. Male. Hai na?
Oh, yes, sir.
And hiya for she.
Yes, sir.
Excuse
Female.
me, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, can you please send this chart also, sir, in the
No, inshallah,
WhatsApp?
there are certain mistakes over there. You know, last lecture I conducted, but
I don't have this, sir.
No, nobody has because I have not sent
Yes, sir.
anybody. You know, I have not sent yet this chart. Okay, I'll send the
Yes,
chart to you. Inshallah,
Okay.
today or
Allah will
tomorrow.
very soon will send.
There are some mistakes, some errors were there in this, notes. So I'm going to rectify those notes and then inshallah I'll send.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Thank you so much, sir.
inshallah. Take it. So we were here, na? Okay. Now can you try again?
Yes.
Chalo, now you have to say engineer means muhandisun. You are an engineer, male. Muhandisun I have taken, na? So which word I should take from? You are an engineer.
Huwa muhandisun.
No, you are an engineer. I'm saying you.
Anta muhandisun.
Anta muhandisun. Now one by one can we get try?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I
Chalo,
call
now
the
you
name?
can call the names. Sister Hasinan, tum naam karo. Umaira, you can call the name.
Yes, inshallah.
Inshallah. Chalo.
Imran, can you say Imran?
Imran? Imran, can you try?
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Imran, I'll take a word here from here. See this, huh? I'm taking this word. Now you have to say, you are a teacher. And I have taken this word.
Anti muallimatun.
Anti
Muallimatun.
mashallah. Anti muallimatun.
MashaAllah.
Mashallah.
Now next one, Ahmed Pathan. Ahmed Pathan.
Yes.
Ahmed Pran, can you try?
Sure.
Okay,
Sir.
chalo. Yes, just
Yes.
second. Yeah, tell me.
For girl, it will be auntie.
Correct. Absolute. For the girl, it will be Anti. Mashallah. Correct. Mashallah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Chalo. Okay.
So
Now,
if it is a boy teacher, it will be anta muallamatun.
Allah muallamatun. And then it should be muallimun. For boy, what
Yes.
you're using? This word.
Muallamun.
Muallamun. Muallimun. Sorry. What do you use? Muallimun. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Correct. Now,
Ah.
you have to say, You are a muallim, you are a teacher, then what you can say?
Anta muallim.
Anta muallim. MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. चले. Now, हम किसका पूछ रहे थे? We were
Ahmed,
asking actually.
Ahmed, Ahmed Pathan.
Ahmed Aman, come on. Ahmed, can you question? Are you a teacher? Are you
Okay.
a teacher? Can you ask question?
Anta muallama.
Question. Understand question. Question के लिए word क्या है? क्या? And what the word we are going to use for the question? Somebody remembers? कुछ question के word कौन से? What are the two questions to confirm yes or no?
Haza.
هل أنت معلم؟
Say what?
هل
Haza.
هل أنت معلم؟
Anta?
Like
معلم.
See this, if you say anta muallamin, it means you are a teacher. That doesn't create a question actually. That doesn't frame a key question, It says answer. Anta muallamin matlab you have to ask a question. What are you a teacher?
Haza muallamun.
Haza nahi. Are you? I'm saying you.
هل
هل أنت معلم؟
Hal anta muallamun. MashaAllah. And now it is correct. I'll take hal now. Okay, correct. I'm taking hal now. Yeah.
Now Ahmed, for Ahmed, next question.
See,
Repeat again.
Ahmad, see now. Can you see this whole? Hal
Yes.
anta muallamun. Everybody sees this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Means hal anta muallamun means what?
Are you a teacher?
Now, are you a teacher? Okay. Now you want to say here, are you a teacher, female teacher? So what we can do? Are you a female teacher? Ahmed? How
Yes.
can we ask?
Hal anti muallamatun.
Hal anti muallimatun. MashaAllah.
MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Correct. Now who can try more? Kaun?
Maha Fatim. Maha Fatim. Can you try, Maha? Muhammad Irshad.
Muhammad Irshad? Muhammad Irshad?
Sayyid Abdul Malik Hussaini.
yes.
Yeah, Sayyid Abdul Malik. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Now colleague, a baker,
Yes,
bakers. Okay. So here see the bakers, the words are there. Khabbazatun and khabbazun. Now you tell, okay, she is a baker. She is a baker. What should I take here? She is a baker.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Hiya khabaratun.
Hiya khabbazatun. MashaAllah. Okay.
Now Adnan.
Adnan.
Adnan. Can you say
Yes.
Adnan?
Yes.
Adnan.
Hello.
Adnan, can you hear us?
Yes.
Okay, MashaAllah. Adnan, can you ask question? Is she a baker? Is she a baker?
Hal
Hal?
anti.
MashaAllah.
Hal anti. Haba.
Is she? I'm saying is she? I'm not saying are you? I'm not saying are you? I'm saying is she?
Hal hiya.
Haliya, MashaAllah. Haliya. I'm saying what? Listen, carefully listen. I'm saying is she? I'm not saying are you? But what I'm saying is she? Is she correct? Sure. Now who can more ask? Okay.
Muhammad Irfan.
Yes, sir.
Irfan, I'm going to two questions simultaneously. Two questions at a time. Huh? Are you
Yes,
ready?
sir.
Okay. Now you have to say this word you have to take and this word you have to take. Okay. See, I sorry, एक minute. I'll just take this word. Okay. I'll take this word top. Okay. Muallim and I'll take khabbazatun. Okay. Now you have to ask two questions. Are you a teacher and she is a baker? Are you a
teacher?
and she is a baker?
She is a baker. Yes, sir, I will.
Try, inshallah.
Hal anti
Hal anti? Are you a teacher?
muallam?
I have given you muallim only. है ना? It's a male or female?
Male.
Male. I told you male. यहाँ पे दिख रहा है ना आपको? It is written male करके. यहाँ पे
Yes,
it is written male करके. This is male. Okay. So for are you a teacher? Then how can you ask now?
Hal anta
Hal
معلم
anta muallimun. MashaAllah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Next second. Is she a
هل
baker?
هل هي خبازة
Hal iya khabazatun.
خبازة
Clear to you?
Yes sir.
Muhammad Ibrahim has raised his hand.
Muhammad Ibrahim, can you ask me question? Muhammad Ibrahim
Do you want to say something, Muhammad Ibrahim?
and Affan Sheikh both. Affan Sheikh, you have raised the hand actually. Muhammad Ibrahim,
He has written engineer missing one word. Muhammad Ibrahim has written in chat engineer missing one word.
barabar na, that is I've taken from there. Na, this word I have missed here.
Okay. Zahir.
Thanks.
Zahir.
Thanks. Okay.
Zahir, can you say?
Zahir,
Uzair. Uzair.
Yes.
can you? I can ask you, was there your question?
Yes.
Okay, I'll take this word. Which word? See this. This word. What is this word? Can you read?
Amilatun.
What is written the translation?
Amilatun.
English translation? English translation. This is the English translation. Can you read this? English translation.
Sir, I can't see.
Why? You can see this? Now I'll just give you the word. Don't worry. See this. Can you see now this word?
Yes.
What is written?
Employ.
Employee. So she is female employee. She is female employee. Okay. Now you have to ask that are you an employee? But she's a female employee. Are you a employee? You are asking a female. Are you an employee?
هل أنت عاملة
Who said this?
يوسف سعدان
But let him say, na?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Let him say that. Again. क्या नाम था उनका?
Uzair.
Uzair, can you try again?
Are you? You means anta.
See, you means anta. Uzair, you means
Anta.
anta. Anta means female. Sorry, male. Anta for male. Female. There are two words, na? Anta and anti. See, there are two words. Anta and anti. Both for you. But one for female and one for
Male.
male. Anta is for
Male.
male. Anti is for
Female.
female. Meaning is what? You. Correct? Now you have to say this, you know. Okay, you have to say this principle. Principle के लिए word क्या है? Say this word. Principle. What is the word? Can you read? Mudiratun.
Mudiratun.
What is the word? Mudira. Mudira means mudiratun. Okay. Now can you say कि तुम principal हो? Are you a principal? How can you say now? Yeah, you say you are principal. You are a principal. बोलो. Lady principal.
Anti.
हाँ.
Anti
Mudirun. Mudiratun.
Anti mudirun.
Mudiratun. Yeah, mudira. You can say mudira also. Anti mudiratun.
Mudira.
Anti mudira. MashaAllah. Have you understood this much?
Yes.
Correct? All of you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Now next time only we'll practice. Huh? We'll practice more. We have to
Yes, sir.
practice more. We have to practice more. Now you are understood. Can you remember? I'll send you this notes, inshallah. Okay.
Afnan Sheikh raised his hand. He wants to.
Afnan Sheikh, tell me. Afnan,
Yes, sir.
what you want to say? You want? Should I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo, ठीक है Afnan Sheikh. Now she come here. Okay. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
This word?
Safiyun.
Safiyun, mashallah, Safiyun. Okay. Now I have to ask if he is a journalist. He is a journalist. He is a journalist. I'm asking. I'm saying he. What is the word for he? Male.
Huwa Safiyun.
Huwa sahfiyun, mashallah. Huwa sahfiyun, correct, mashallah.
Now
And you-
Yusuf Sarang.
Yusuf Sarang, can you
Yes.
want to ask? Yeah, say, lady, this is not lady journalist. She is a lady journalist. She is a generalist.
Safiyatun.
But she के साथ में. I want from which she.
Anti Safiyatun.
Anti means you. I am saying she. I am saying she. For she is this.
He is generalist.
She is a generalist. Now see this word. Can you see this word? She for she.
Yes.
Now say. Now say.
Anti here.
Anti na one. See either use it's English. Can you use both English? You and she and say you and she. You she. I say, you can you say like this? You have to say she only. Says she only. She के लिए word क्या है? What is the word for she?
Here.
Yeah. Now tell me. You have to put it here.
Safiyun.
Hiya safiyun. But hiya safiyun can be correct.
Here Safiyatun.
Hiya safiyatun. MashaAllah. Now you understood?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Chale.
Alhamdulillah.
Everybody clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sure. So today
Anybody
I
wants to try? Anyone wants to try?
or you have time to continue or you have got some other classes?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, you can. Who is there?
Muhammad Irfan.
Muhammad Irfan. Come on. Chalo. Can I ask you a question, Muhammad Irfan?
Yes, sir.
See, now you have to say, okay, see, both the sentences you have to say, try, huh? Both the try first. You have to say, she is a clerk, he is a clerk. She is a clerk, he is a clerk. She for word for she is what word?
Here.
Here, Masha. I took here now. I kept here. And now for the lady clerk. What is the word for lady clerk?
Mu'allufatun.
Ma'azifatun. Ma'azufatun. It's okay? Mawzufatun. It's word for mawzufatun. Correct? Now
Yes,
come
sir.
here. I'll take it, put here. What happened now?
Here ma'azufatun.
Here mawzufatun. Now you say he is a male engineer. Sorry, clerk. He's a male clerk.
Ana.
No, he is a clerk. He के लिए word क्या है? What is the word for he? Here for she. So what is the word for he?
Huwa.
Huwa, mashallah. Correct. Huwa. Tell me now.
Huwa mu'allufun.
Huwa mawzufun, mashallah. So we'll have inshallah practice. We'll do practice in next lecture. We'll just do the practice. Today I took more time for an explanation of dua. But next time we'll have a brief dua, inshallah. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Because we are learning this dua was talking much about knowledge, about the khushu and all that. This was discussing on that. That was taking just a little bit more time, Okay.
Afnan Sheikh has raised his hand. Afnan.
Afnan,
Yes, ma'am.
you want to ask something? Or want to say something? I have to ask question to you.
No, sir. I want to say, can you ask a question to me?
Yes, I can ask you a question. Okay, I'll just try and here. Okay. Now here you can see this both.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have to say कि तुम engineer हो और तुम female engineer हो. You are a female engineer and you are a male engineer.
Anta Zamil.
Say
Anta Zamil.
Anta Zamilun. You are a male engineer. Correct. And female Anti
Zamilatun.
Zamilat. MashaAllah. Now you have to ask a question. Are you a female engineer? Are you a female engineer? What would you have to put before this? Anti Jamilat. Before the Anti Jamilatun, you have to what? Put just one. You have to put one word before.
Hal anti Zamilatun.
Hal Anti Zamilatun. MashaAllah. Hal Anti Zamilatun. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everybody got clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. This was the first lecture we have conducted in English, inshallah. And inshallah, we'll more conduct properly the lectures and duas and everything, okay? And we'll have practice in next lecture. We'll just have a practice of these words. Okay, I'll teach you 2 more words, new words in next. That the
But
word which are there.
different examples with different examples
Different
of
examples. We can have this example for more things now, inshallah. I will take you with this words. These 2 words we have not used now yet. Okay, which words?
Here and there.
Here and there we have not yet used that word. Inshallah, we'll use this word in next lecture with more examples actually. Okay, but
Inshallah.
inshallah, but you have this examples also very important, Now next time I'll teach you how, this is what sanduk, na? I'll just give you the brief idea. You have to remember this word. What is this? Sunduk, na?
Sundukun.
Sundukun. Now you have to that see where is the key. You have to say that book. The book के लिए word क्या है? I had taught you the book का word. Book के लिए word क्या था?
Kitabun.
Kitabun. Now you have to say कि kitab. The kitab is in the box. So I'll teach you that. But you have to remember this word. If you remember
Yes, sir.
the word, then I can teach you this. The book is in the
Box.
box. How to
Sundukun.
say that book is in the box? Okay. You also have to learn that the book is the box is big, or the box is small,
Big.
or you have to say the box is
Big or
costly.
small.
Box is costly, small, big, heavy.
Yes,
That all this we can use the words. But if you remember all this vocabulary first, if you remember all the vocabularies, then we can use more things up with this vocabulary. Okay, with this word, like the box is big, sundukun kabirun, or al sunduku as-sunduku kabirun, as-sunduku saghirun, as-sunduku khafifun, as-sunduku saqilun. We can use all those words, inshallah. As-sunduku saminun. So, but you have to remember the word for sanduk is what?
Box.
Box, that box for sanduk. So you have to remember all these words, inshallah.
Yes, sir.
Then we can
Inshallah.
use with more. We can use the fridge. We can use what is there in the fridge. That I can use that. How big is the fridge? Okay, all we can use. Then we can say specs. Specs will be say on the maktab, on the table. We have used the word table, no? Maktab. So
Yes, sir.
the nazaratun, an nazaratu fil al maktab. We can use that.
Muhammad Ibrahim. Do you have any question?
Muhammad
No,
Ibrahim?
miss. No, miss.
Okay, but what I am saying I can teach you more things with these words, So you have to remember the words clearly and cleverly, okay?
Muhammad Ibrahim, have you understood?
Yes, miss.
All you have to remember the words properly, correct?
Okay.
Okay, this vocabulary is important because more sentences we are going to make with this vocabulary only. Okay, then that will be easy for us, because every time it is new words, then grammar will be little bit difficult for us, because we have to remember the words, then we have to understand the grammar. So first we'll have a few words with us, and we'll make the grammar, inshallah. Okay?
Inshallah.
Okay, miss.
Okay, and everything is fine now with everybody?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all are
Yeah.
understanding?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Alhamdulillah.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. If any question?
No.
No. You can ask question in WhatsApp also. If you have some certain difficulties, you can send us question on WhatsApp. Okay, we'll answer that question, inshallah.
Sir, sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Sir, for female, this is it Hazi E or Hazi?
Hazihi.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, for female, hazihi.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Anything else? Because last time we did the mistake. We written that hazaha, hazihi. I said that was a mistake. So we have cleared that mistake now, inshallah. Okay.
Okay.
Hello, we'll read dua.
Okay. Can we read? Okay. All you understood, no? Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
How did you find the lecture today for you?
Very good.
It is good, sir.
Sure.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. MashaAllah.
Sir, it was
Alhamdulillah.
very helpful, sir.
Inshallah, we'll try our best, because see, initially I'll tell you, initially we have to have control on lectures. I myself also trying to have a control on it. Okay. Inshallah.
Jazakallah khair, sir.
Jazakallah.
Waiyake.
Yeah. Any questions from your parents? Any suggestions? If you have parents are there with you,
Your mother or your parents
any
are there?
suggestions?
We are there. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Hello.
Jazakallah, sir.
चलो
Why
okay.
yeah, okay.
Jazakallah parents are very much.
Why yeah.
अच्छा, ये
Alhamdulillah.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह सुब्हानकल्लाहुम्मा व बिहम्दिका व अशहदु अन ला इलाहा इल्ला अंता अस्तगफिरुका व अतूबु इलैक
سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله
See,
رب
all you
العالمين
send your sorry.
الرحمن الرحيم.
Yeah. All you say, send your presentations, present or absent, whatever it is, you send in this, group, okay? Attendance, your attendance should be sent in the group, okay?
How, sir?
Just you have to say present in the group. English group is there, you are there in the English.
Your name and present.
Okay, sir.
Okay, or you can raise the hand also instead of writing present, okay? That you got, then icon you can see like this, okay? But in that group,
Rehan, do you have any question, Rehan?
I showed that how can raise the hands, questions. Raise the
Okay,
hand.
okay, okay.
Chale.
Sure. Alhamdulillah.
चलिए अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह जज़ाकल्लाह चलो याकुम
Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम रहमतुल्लाह
Muhammad Ibrahim, do you have any question? You have raised your hand.
Sir, for the next class, should we come only for the English class?
this what
Yeah.
For the next class, should we come directly to the English class or the?
no,
the
only
other
English class
too?
now, only for the English students only now.
No,
Remember,
Monday is for Urdu.
Monday is for the Urdu and Thursday for English. Okay.
Thank you,
Inshallah.
sir.
Okay, okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Now tell
Ah.
me
sir, you something tell about name. What?
what? I'm not hearing you.
You-
madam.
You something tell about name. What?
Name?
Acha, in your group, you have to write your name
You-
and attendance. That means you attend this class.
You are there in the group.
Attended.
You know the group in which group you are now?
English G2
English
Arabic
group, na?
grammar.
Just write your name and write present. Okay. So we'll come to know you were there in the class. Okay.
Means
Okay.
you
Because
attended.
by seeing the list, we understand next time that who were there in the last class or who were not there in the last class, who was not there in the last class or who were there in the class. That we come to know actually. Okay.
Okay.
We
Okay.
check that from the list, we come to know that this student was there in the last class also, but now he is there in this class, but he was not there in the last class. Okay. So inshallah we can just by that he can understand, he
Rehan,
cannot
do you
understand.
have any question, Rehan?
Chalo. Okay. So inshallah we'll meet inshallah. Okay. Chalo. Next time inshallah with the grace of Almighty Allah inshallah. Chalo. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.